a healthy sex life to remain happy in personal life and successful in professional life? Well, our quality of life majorly depends on the quality of our relationships. Do you agree with me? I want to highlight one such relationship that we have with our partners, our committed partners. We seldom want to talk about it. Fair enough, don't talk about it, but at least do something about it. The way you feel about your body affects the way you feel about your partner. An unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, too many gadgets, and unnecessary stress, that can be a reason for a poor sex life. Healthy and confident personality leads to a very healthy sex life and vice versa. Think about it. Science has given us enough evidences to help us believe that it's imperative to release certain happy chemicals such as endorphins, oxytocins, serotonins, and dopamine to have a balanced state of mind. So we say all four are important, and that's why we need to release them by doing various activities on a daily basis. So I'm going to talk about a few things you will have to do if you want to be happy and enjoy a fabulous relationship with yourself and your partner. First thing, the endorphins. So how do you release endorphins? Sweat it out. Run, jog, work, stretch and exercise. And when you have at least 45 minutes in your daily routine marked for this activity, you are definitely going to feel energetic and active. I suggest you should do this along with your partner so that you can spend some quality time with them. The next is dopamine. It turns on when you see yourself closer to your goals, promotions, incentives, or profits in businesses. When your efforts are rewarded, you really feel good. When you are learning a new skill or exploring a new place, dopamine is released. So in order to release dopamine, I suggest you should, along with your partner, learn something new, something adventurous together, such as paragliding, scuba diving, or join some self-development courses that can upskill and upgrade you both in some way. A doctor couple who happened to be my client, after a few sessions with me, decided to join cookery course on the weekend. This exercise worked very well with them, which improved their bonding with each other. So my suggestion is that take on a new challenge and give it 45 days and start working towards it. Your brain will learn to stimulate dopamine in a new way. Let's talk about serotonin. This flows when you feel important. Our brain seeks importance, and that's imperative for our survival. We crave for attention, but we don't get it from the closest people around us. We eventually give up, and that really restricts the flow of serotonin. So how would we feel important and get the desired attention? I suggest try new things, break the rules, change the way you come across. Be well dressed, well groomed, try a new wardrobe, look attractive, be charming, and spread the smile all day. Develop a good sense of humor and also be kind and polite when you interact with others. When you make others feel important, you will feel good about yourself. Remember, what goes around comes around. Last one is oxytocin. This flows when there is a feeling of trust in your relationships. It gives you a good feeling when you trust your partner completely. Stop checking each other's mobile phones. Trust me, you won't get anything there. That will make you happy. So why take unnecessary stress? Giving space to each other is important. It will free you from all the ifs and buts of life. Trust builds each time when expectations are met at both ends. So see if you can meet most of them. The ones you feel are unreasonable, talk to your partner and give your partner your perspective to it. Hey, now that you know the formula to be happy, you don't need a psychiatrist or a counselor, seriously. Just keep going and keep releasing the happy chemicals, and I guarantee you of a healthy and happy sex life that's certainly going to give you an extra boost.